How to find video quality settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find video quality settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and now click these three lines in the top corner and then click settings. Here you will find this one, video quality, and as you see here you can manage video quality settings. You can make it this one for data saver or HD, everything anything you want here, and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.